Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the radio fuses are located on this 2010 Dodge Caliber. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. First, we're going to pop the hood. Right here is our under the hood fuse box. So to open this, we're going to push on these two tabs until they click like that, and then just kind of lift and push backwards. On the back here is a diagram that has the fuses numbered. So the fuses that we're looking for are 19 and 20, which are right here and right here. This 20 amp fuse is for the radio amplifiers, and this 15 amp fuse right here is for the radio itself. So it's a 15 amp fuse for the radio right here in slot 20, and for the radio amplifiers, it's this 20 amp fuse in slot 19. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.